Okay, you are not confirmed yet. This is your testing. Yeah, come on. Stand up, baby, stand up. Stand up. That's right. Be careful. Alright, I want everybody to take a piece of wood. Take a piece of wood. Don't run, don't run. Okay, this is your session. Okay, to see whether you actually follow instruction. Don't do that. Alright, so take a wood, okay? Alright. Nice. What's that? Don't saw the plastic. You have to take it out. This is for protection. Yeah. Yes. Let's take it out. Use your glove. Where's your glove? Okay, good. Very good. Okay, hold on. Hold on. You are not right because. Alright, that's the right thing. Okay, alright. Put it down. I think we don't have enough place to put it like this. I think we can put it sideways. This one. Count 10. Okay. 10. I want it to be 10. Okay, 10. Count 10. 9.